Are you learning American English? We can study together. Hi, I'm Jennifer. Let's practice using the verb would in conversation. Listen and repeat. Follow my model to sound more natural and confident in English. We can offer things politely, nicely. We can ask, "Would you like?" plus a noun. Listen and repeat. Would you like some tea? Would you like a cup of coffee? Would you like a glass of iced tea? Would you like something to eat? Would you like a napkin? Note, sometimes when we speak fast, would you can sound like would you. You may hear some people say, "Would you like a napkin?" How do you answer? Listen and repeat. Yes, thank you. Yes, that would be great. Yes, that would be wonderful. Yes, please, thank you. Here are more informal, relaxed answers. Listen and repeat. Yeah, that sounds great. Thanks, that would be great. We can make invitations with would you like plus a verb. We use the infinitive to do. For example, would you like to go out for coffee? Would you like to go have a cup of coffee? The most common response, the most common answer is, "I'd love to." The full form is, "I would love to." We usually say, "I'd love to." Let's make invitations. Listen and repeat. Would you like to sit down? Yes, thank you. Would you like to see photos from my trip? I'd love to. Would you like to see a photo of my cat? Sure. Would you like to meet my roommate? Yes, I would. Would you like to have lunch? That sounds wonderful. Sometimes you need to say no. How? Let's practice. Listen and repeat. Would you like some tea or coffee? No thanks, I'm fine. Would you like a piece of cake? No, but thank you. Would you like to go have lunch? I'd love to, but I can't. Not today. Would is polite. Are there more informal ways to make offers and invitations? Yes. Compare. Would you like a glass of water? Yes, that would be great. Thank you. Do you want some water? Sure, thanks. Let's change these polite questions to more informal, relaxed questions. Listen and repeat. Do you want some tea? Do you want a cup of coffee? Do you want a glass of iced tea? Do you want something to eat? Do you want a napkin? Do you want to sit down? Do you want to meet my roommate? Note, in fast American English, want to often sounds like wanna. You'll hear people ask, for example, do you want to sit down? Do you want to meet my roommate? Also, in very relaxed English, we may not use do. We start the question with want. Want to? And again, it often sounds like wanna. Listen and repeat. Wanna see photos from my trip? Wanna see a photo of my cat? Wanna have lunch? Would you like to study again soon? I hope so. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and happy studies.